The artificial intelligence revolution is a transformative and ongoing phenomenon that has reshaped the way we live, work, and interact with technology. It represents a fundamental shift in the capabilities of machines, enabling them to perform tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans, often with greater speed, precision, and consistency. The AI revolution didn't happen overnight. It has deep historical roots. It can be traced back to the mid 20th century when computer scientists and mathematicians started exploring the idea of creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks encompass a wide range of activities, from understanding natural language to recognizing patterns and data, making predictions, and even decision making. To understand the AI revolution, it's crucial to grasp the key components. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from data. It's at the heart of many AI applications, allowing systems to improve their performance over time through experience. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning using artificial neural networks to model and solve complex problems. It has been instrumental in advancements like image and speech recognition. Big data. The availability of vast amount of data is a cornerstone of AI revolutions. AI systems thrive on large data sets, using them to train and refine their algorithms. Impact on industry. The AI revolution has had a profound impact across various industries. Healthcare. AI is used for diagnosing diseases, drug discovery, and personalizing patient treatment plans. Finance. In finance, AI is employed for algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and risk assessment. Transportation. Self-driving cars are prime examples, but AI is also used for optimizing transportation logistics. Entertainment. Recommendation on streaming platforms, video games, AI, and content creation are areas where AI is making waves. Manufacturing. AI-driven robotics and automation have transformed manufacturing processes, making them more efficient and cost-effective. Recent breakthroughs. The AI revolution has been marked by numerous breakthroughs in recent years. AlphaGo. In 2016, AlphaGo defeated the world champion Go player, a game long considered a pinnacle of human intelligence. GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. This language model developed by OpenAI can generate human-like text and has applications in natural language processing, chatbots, and content generation. Computer vision. AI-powered computer vision has led to significant advancements in facial recognition, object detection, and medical image analysis. Future prospects. The AI revolution shows no signs of slowing down. Some key features prospects include artificial general intelligence (AGI). Researchers aim to develop machines that possess general intelligence similar to human intelligence, capable of learning and reasoning across a wide range of tasks. AI ethics. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, ethical considerations surrounding bias, privacy, and accountability are becoming increasingly important. AI in space exploration, energy, and education. AI is expected to play a pivotal role in these fields, contributing to scientific discoveries, sustainability efforts, and personalized learning. In conclusion, the AI revolution represents a monumental shift in how we perceive and use technology. It's a multidisciplinary field with profound implications for society, economics, and our daily life. Understanding its history, key components, impact, recent breakthroughs, and future prospects is essential for anyone interested in this dynamic and rapidly evolving field. For more informative videos, subscribe to my channel.